Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about my high-powered Nerf rifle that I built just over Christmas break. You can see here it's made of PVC pipe, and then a lot of you know the green part in the middle is just a simple sprinkler valve. It's actually a brand called Orbit's. I bought it off Amazon. It cost me about $14. If you look at the back now here, we'll start at the back. We've got the chamber here towards the back. You know, it's obviously you fill that with pressure, you hit the little trigger, the trigger opens, you shoot a dart or whatever else you want to fit in there, and it'll shoot a long way at a very high speed. If you look at the back, you can see, like I said, the chamber. Really simple to make. All it is I used a piece of 2-inch PVC pipe, an end cap, downgrade fitting to 1.5 inches, and then 1.5 inches to 1 inch. Got 1 inch to a T. Then I went down with this piece here, then a coupler, and then I used some brass fittings with an air nozzle right here so I could pump it up just using a air compressor or a bike pump, and then I actually put a gauge on it, which you can see there's already pressure in here just because it's slotted. I didn't want to have to do that on the video. Here's my ignition switch. It's pretty simple. I just got a single momentary switch. A lot of people use a double switch as a safety mechanism. I chose not to. I just didn't want to have to buy another switch. And then I have 3 9-volt batteries taped here, and this is just taped to the solenoid on the switch. Pretty easy. Then we've got here just, I actually used an extra piece just to make it a little bit longer. You really wouldn't have to have this. You could go directly from here to this fitting, to the barrel here. I used a 2.5 inch barrel, and the barrel is a 1/2 inch, which is perfect for the Nerf dart. To load this bad boy, you just unscrew here. Grab a dart here. I just squeeze it right in the tip there. You know, generally can't push it down very far because it really won't let you. Screw it back together and get ready to blow this bad boy. I'm actually shooting this inside, which probably isn't the greatest idea because it shoots pretty damn hard. But hey, you know what? It's winter out, and I really don't want to go outside. Sorry about the delay here. I'm just going to move the camera so we can get a good barrel shot and it going down the hall. I'm telling you now, you really won't be able to actually see it go. I've got 50 pounds of pressure built up in there right now, which, you know, I've done 80 to 90, and it really isn't that much. So all I have to do to fire it is click that little button there, and it'll go. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Barely could even see it. I mean, that thing flies down the wall. I mean, I've hung paper from the ceiling. I'll rip that right in half. I mean, I shot it at 50 psi, and we still have got about 15 left. So I mean, you can still get another decent shot out of it. But I mean, pretty easy to build. High-powered Nerf rifle. Probably costs around $50, depending on what supplies you do or don't have. But have any questions? Just leave a comment. Thanks.